The DEAI Lesson Builder is a tool created to help you make units and lessons from scratch, using just a few keywords. Let's look at how to make individual lessons using some simple prompts. Remember, the AI Lesson Builder is a tool for teachers to use. This tool doesn't replace quality first teaching. Any content generated using AI may contain inaccuracies, so please verify all content before sharing with pupils. Let's take a look at how to build a unit using the AI Lesson Build tool. Access the builder by clicking Units. On this next page, you'll see a list of units already created by your account. If this is your first time, this will be blank. You can filter these lessons by subject, curriculum, and year. Let's get started by clicking New Unit. To build your unit, click in the search bar and write your prompt. This could be a simple sentence, bullet points, or even a previous lesson unit plan that you want to improve. Then select the subject, curriculum, year group, and amount of lessons using the options below. The AI will now begin generating the unit plan based on the amount of lessons from your prompt. If you need to, you can add an extra lesson by clicking Add Lesson. You can begin editing straight away, changing the cover image, learning objectives, or title by clicking Edit. As you scroll down the page, every section you come across can be edited. You can change the image and wording at every point. You can do this by clicking Edit. From this point, you can change the title, description, and objectives in each lesson, as required. If you feel the image needs changing, you can alter this at the top and choose from an image on your device or from our AI content. If you do edit the text in each box, pressing the AI button will automatically find a new image based on your changes. Don't forget to check the image is suitable for your lesson though. Once you're happy with the generated content and lesson structure for the unit, open the lesson and click Generate, and the AI will begin creating your lesson. You'll need to do this for each lesson. From here, the editing process is the same as editing an existing lesson. Please see our previous AI Lesson Build Tool video for more information. You can now click Back to Unit at the top to leave the lesson and edit another. Once all lessons have been generated, you can share your unit easily by clicking the Share button. We hope you have a better understanding of building a unit using our AI tools. If you need to recap making a lesson, select the AI Lesson Build Tools video or choose the next video in the playlist to view our AI Career Build tools.